On this episode of Let's Get Fucked Up, I had to find out. So yesterday we did I was supposed to do the Jim Beam honey and rum chata. I didn't have Jim Beam honey. I had Jack honey, so I did it with that. So I did find a place that has it. So let's try this out. Going 50-50, one shot of Jim Beam honey. And the Jim Beam and rum chata, or the Jack and rum chata I should say, was really freaking good. So let's just see if there's a difference between the two. Give it a little stir. Well, here's to the only B word you should ever call a woman, which is beautiful. Bitches love being called beautiful. Cheers. Actually, I think I like the Jack honey with rum chata better. Unless I didn't put enough rum chata in this one. Yeah, I'm going to go with the Jack honey and rum chata better than the Jim Beam honey and rum chata. Sorry, but that's where we're at. If you're still here, hit that follow button. As always, you guys have a great day. Oh, and if you try this, let me know how you like it. Or if you try both. All right. Okay, bye.